Let knowledge flow like a river without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Design a pile cap by few clicks. Part 4. 5 piles cap. Hello everybody. I'm PS Chatterjee with you. Today I'm going to explain how we can prepare an Excel proforma for the design of 5 piles cap. If you are watching my video first time, please start from part 1 to part 4 for more explanation. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. Your like, share, comments, subscription and views are the inspiration and remuneration of my hard work. Before start of the lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Types of 5 pile cap. This is our type 7 in Z direction. This is our type 8 in X direction. Dimensions of the pile cap. Pile cap dimension. Length LA, width LB, spacing of pile S, column dimension, CX in X direction, CZ in Z direction. Dimension of punching area, BX in X direction is equal to 2 into D punch plus C1. BZ in Z direction is equal to 2 into D punch plus CZ. Overall depth D, punching depth D punch. Lever arm for type 7 in X direction Jx is equal to 0.5 into S. In Z direction Zz is equal to square root of S square minus 0.5 into S whole square. Lever arm for type 8 in X direction Jx is equal to square root of S minus 0.5 into S whole square. In Z direction 0.5 S. Load on pile caps for type 7 and 8. Total self weight on pile cap is equal to SW, capital SW. Self weight on each pile is equal to small sw is equal to capital SW divided by 5. 5 is the total number of pile. Say load on P1 and P2 is equal to R1. R1 max is equal to small sw plus Fy divided by 5 plus absolute mx by zz plus absolute mz divided by jx divided by 2. R1 minimum is equal to SW plus Fy by 5 minus absolute mx divided by jz plus absolute mz divided by jx divided by 2. Say load on P3 is equal to R is equal to Fy by 5. Say load on P4 and P5 is equal to R2. R2 max is equal to SW plus Fy by 5 plus absolute Mx by Jz plus absolute Mz divided by Jx divided by 2. R2 minimum is equal to SW minus Fy by 5 plus absolute Mx by Jz plus absolute Mz by Jx divided by 2. Shear force and bending moment diagram for type 7. Maximum SF is equal to V is equal to 2 into R1 max. Maximum SF in Z direction is equal to 2 into R2 max. Maximum bending moment in X direction Mx is equal to Jz into 2 into R1 max. Maximum BM in Z direction is equal to Mz is equal to Jx into 2 into R2 max. Shear force and bending moment for type 8. Maximum shear force is equal to V is equal to 2 into R1 max. In Z direction, V is equal to 2 into R2 max. maximum bending moment in mz is equal to jx into 2r1 max. Bending moment in z direction mx is equal to jz into 2 into r2 max. Now I am switching over to the Excel spreadsheet for numerical calculation. Welcome to my Excel spreadsheet for the design and analysis of pile caps by few clicks, part 4, that is 5 piles cap. Our last problem was problem of 4 piles cap. I have increased the load, column load. This is our column load chart. Now I am changing number of pile cap 4 to type 7, that is pile cap in Z direction. Look here, as we have selected friction pile in clay or sand, the minimum spacing required 1500. We have provided 1250, so we have to change 1500. Overall depth cannot be less than punching depth, so it is 600. Side projection cannot be less than maximum side projection. Say we are considering 700. It is not okay, so we have to change 600. Now look here, maximum capacity 5001 and load case 106, 500 kilometer, because we have not increased the pile capacity. Increment, allowable increment 25%. We are accepting 25%. Now load reduction for opening, say 14%. Load on pile is less than maximum capacity of pile. Hence, it is okay. Now, look here. Punching space is not okay. So we have to increase punching depth 500, not okay. 600, not okay. 700, but we have to increase 700, not okay. 750, it's okay, but 800. One-way shear stress in pile cap, design shear stress 0.3 Newton per millimeter square and 0.3 Newton per millimeter square. Calculated shear stress is double. So we have to increase overall depth 850, and bar dia next direction, say it is 25, and this is also 25. Percentage of steel required, okay, but punching stress, one-way shear stress is not okay. So once again we have to increase 900, 1000. Now the design is okay. 950, design is okay. 925, design is not okay. So we have to 950. But look here, maximum load on pile is increased little bit. So now I'm going to accept group efficiency. Now we can increase this up to 20%. Still, it is not okay. Now in group, we can increase the pile capacity not more than 25%. I'm increasing 10%. So it will be 550, 575. Now design is okay. And this is our total design calculation. 5 piles cap are in rectangular array. This is in Z direction. Now I am changing the Z direction to X direction. This is X direction. Maximum load on pile is greater than maximum capacity. Hence, it is not okay. Now what we can do, we have increased here 15%. We can go up to 25%. So I'm considering 20%. So pile capacity will be 600. Design is okay. Once again, this is our total calculation sheet. And here I have load, and this is pile load. Now, approximate number of pile required, check for maximum reaction, resultant horizontal load, sliding check, etc. And this is all about my design of pilecap by few clicks part 4. I hope you enjoyed it. Part 5 will be released very soon. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also evaluate my performance with your valuable comments. Thank you.